Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the perfect pair of running shoes, you're in the right place. Today, we're bringing you the top 5 best running shoes for men, crafted for comfort, durability, and peak performance. Whether you're training for a marathon or just hitting the pavement to stay fit, these picks are designed to keep you going mile after mile. From exceptional cushioning to advanced traction, we've got options to fit every running style and terrain. Stick around to see which pairs made our list and why they're worth every penny. So check the link in the description below to get your hands on the best deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. Nike Men's Low-Top Running Shoe is engineered for maximum comfort and support during your runs. The innovative waffle-inspired pattern on the outsole delivers superior traction, giving you a solid grip on both wet and dry roads, ensuring stability with every step. An extra flex groove in the sole allows for smooth and efficient toe-offs, making your stride feel even more natural. With a 10mm heel-to-toe drop, these shoes offer optimal cushioning and responsiveness, reducing the impact on your feet and joints. This makes them a perfect choice for both long-distance runners and those who prefer a quicker, more agile feel. Designed for versatility, the Nike Low-Top Running Shoe combines functionality with style, making it ideal not only for running but also for daily wear. Lightweight and breathable, these shoes will keep your feet cool and comfortable throughout your workout, while the sleek design gives them an athletic edge. Suitable for all fitness levels, the Nike Low-Top Running Shoe is a great option for anyone in search of the best running shoes for men. Number 4. Joma Whitein men's supportive running shoes are designed to elevate your running experience with a combination of comfort, durability, and performance. Featuring a slightly structured engineered knit upper, these shoes offer a breathable, flexible fit that adapts to your foot's natural movement. The padded collar and lace-up closure allow for a customizable fit, ensuring that the shoes stay snug and secure as you run. A special patch on the upper prevents the laces from tearing, extending the lifespan of the shoes. The durable density foam midsole provides lightweight responsiveness, absorbing impact and offering lasting durability with every step. The rubber outsole ensures reliable traction, so you can confidently tackle various surfaces. Plus, the level platform design with a lower heel-to-toe drop promotes a more natural running position, reducing strain and enhancing your comfort. Ideal for anyone looking for the best running shoes for men, the Joma Whitein sneakers combine supportive features with advanced design to take your athletic performance to the next level. Number 3. SDolphin men's running shoe sneakers are the perfect choice for those who need a combination of comfort, durability, and style. These shoes feature a breathable mesh upper that allows your feet to stay cool and dry, ensuring you can stay active for longer periods without discomfort. The memory foam insole provides superior cushioning, making it feel like you're walking on cotton, and offers excellent arch support for all-day comfort. Whether you're running, walking, or working all day, these shoes will keep your feet happy. The non-slip and shock-proof rubber sole gives you reliable traction, making them perfect for various surfaces, while reducing impact during physical activities. The easy slip-on trough design with an elastic cuff makes them incredibly convenient, so you can put them on or take them off in a breeze, without having to tie any laces. Ideal for workouts, casual outings, hiking, or even travel, these sneakers offer all-day comfort and support. With multiple colors available, including black, white, and lime green, the SDolphin men's running shoes are an excellent choice for anyone looking for the best running shoes for men. Number 2. ASICS men's Gel Venture 8 running shoes are crafted for ultimate performance, making them a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts and runners. These shoes feature advanced GEL technology, providing excellent shock absorption and reducing impact with every stride, which ensures a comfortable run on various terrains. The re-engineered outsole lugs are designed for enhanced off-road traction, giving you better grip and stability whether you're tackling rocky paths or muddy trails. With a thoughtfully reduced amount of overlays around the forefoot, the Gel Venture 8 provides a more flexible and breathable fit, while still maintaining excellent durability. The shoes are engineered to support your feet during long runs, offering superior cushioning and protection, so you can push your limits without discomfort. Whether you're running on roads or venturing off the beaten path, the ASICS Gel Venture 8 running shoes are the perfect combination of durability, support, and comfort for men who demand high-performance footwear for their active lifestyle. Number 1. Brooks Men's Adrenaline GTS 23 is designed to provide the perfect blend of support and comfort for runners seeking a smooth and reliable ride. This shoe is a certified PDAC A5500 diabetic shoe and proudly carries the APMA seal of acceptance, making it an excellent choice for those with specific health needs. With its unique guide rails holistic support system, the Adrenaline GTS 23 aligns your body naturally, helping to control excess movement and provide stability for a comfortable run. The shoe's midsole features Brooks' updated DNA Loft V2 cushioning, which is lighter and softer than ever, delivering a plush feel without sacrificing responsiveness. Additionally, the engineered air mesh upper, paired with 3D fit print technology, offers enhanced breathability and structure, ensuring a secure and customized fit that adapts to your foot with every step. The Brooks Adrenaline GTS 23 is an ideal option for those looking for the best running shoes for men, combining trusted performance with advanced comfort for all types of running adventures. In conclusion, choosing the best running shoes for men depends on your unique needs, whether it's comfort, durability, or performance. Each of the shoes we've covered today offers something special to elevate your running experience. Make sure to consider the fit, support, and style that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And share for more update videos.